Low left, 2 targets.
Hit! Whoa.
I see clear. Yellow 1X. Hit, 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 hit. Carry it, carry it, carry it. First box, you're carrying it. Hit, hit, hit. Hit. Good. Find that muzzle. Hit.
Shoot first, right?
Shoot first, then. Hit. Good throw. Hit. 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 Just get it over the line. Last shot from the line.
That doesn't work.
Good.
Shotgun didn't feed reliably. Glock didn't feed. An A300. Glock 47.
It's empty. Oh. That's not right.
Close the door and activate the Death Star before you load.
Hold on. Wardrobe malfunction.
The timing maybe isn't optimal, but
Yeah. You want to do those in practice.
yeah.
film this. So film from
Static.
if you can see the target, cool, but like the bars.
Static.
I loaded out a pocket.
Car.
They're a little slow to pull them out, but you don't lose them. I wish I brought my. Thank you for your help.
It's like somebody is putting a rubber band on
And then
Static.
What I need someone to tell me, what is that going to do better?
Yeah.
You could put a scope on it.
2,
Well, irrelevant. Even for most things,
3,
it's irrelevant. Who fucking cares?
4, 5, 6.
Oh.
Miss.
Well, go for the gold, right?
You got one more.
I can't kill.
There you go. Clear. So that's 2. Forward. You clear? Go. Continuing. You're locked in. Miss. Hit. Forward. Miss. Back. Miss. Miss. There you go. Forward. Hit. Forward. Miss. Back. Hit. Forward. Hit. Forward. Hit. Drop mag. Hit. Hit. Load when you get there. Hit.
Oh, I don't know. I had one left in there.
Miss. Hit. Forward. Hit. Forward. Miss. Back. Back. Go to your left. There you go. Miss. Low. There you go. Forward. Hit. Forward. Miss. Back. Miss. Back. Miss. Forward. 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 Now you gotta clear the shotgun. You clear? Go.
Fuck you!
I thought it was empty. Once again, I can't count.
I need to... You're good, okay. Your follower looks a lot like a round. Alright, mini mode! Alright, next color.
Yep.
Start stuffing once you're in the bay. Last shot, 119. You're doing good. Is this for ice?
Oh, I have no idea.
It could be. One of each. One of each.
Oh.
One of each. If you re-engage correctly, no procedurals. Two of each.
Sorry, you asked me a question and I forgot everything.
You're right. That is my bad. Two of each. Three of each. Last shot, 188. You're doing good. Four of each. One more blue. Now four of each. One more time.
Actually, I just remembered I have extra pistol mags.
Two of each. There!
Yeah, it aims, it actually shoots the center of mass.
Be careful that no shoots. Hit! Hit! Hit the blue one. I'm pushing the pistol. Clear. 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 Drop mag.
Until it flows away, and then you got your
Good. Go. Hit. 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 Move. Nope. Give me a hit on the blue, then clear the back wall. Move. One hit on the blue.
I don't like it.
Move.
The front side of the shirt's good though. No, the front's great. I really just don't. I mean, I guess I just have that like. Yeah. I mean, I want people to have the more. I mean, I'm not. Those matches were significantly better by having sponsor flags and. Well, it might have been.
There we go. Blue. Over here. Over here.
Yeah, okay.
All right. Just one circle and a popper in there. All right. Activator. Stay behind the line. Still got to hit the thing.
Actually,
You want to go to pistol or?
let me take care of that with the shotgun.
Okay. There you go. You want to sling the shotgun before you, or is it slung? It is slung. Okay, cool. Go for it.
What color am I again?
Blue. There you go. Wrong one. Wrong one. There we go. Oh. I think the Beretta is a 12 o'clock hole. There you go. Okay, 3 on that. One more. There we go. Under there, through there. Nope. You're shooting blue. There we go. All right, you got a window to your right. All right, back it up. Back it up. Array through here. There we go. Hopper through here. All right, come on. Plate in the popper. All right, you only need 2. Popper. All right, drop your mag. Make your HVT. Miss, let's go. Plate rack to your hard left.
Plate rack. Oh.
All out of.
Yep.
All out of the. I advise after getting this, skipping the spinner to reduce your penalties.
All
right.
But then I don't get to shoot a spinner.
Okay. Nice double.
Thank you.
I'm shit at them. That's why I drive a box fed.
I'm good at them.
Get it in.